Isa-isa. Sige na. Good afternoon, ma'am. Yulin Pantuan. We are the group 8, the Bubbles. Today, we will discuss the history of computer. First, we have to define what is computer. A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. When we say manipulates information or data, it involves changing, organizing, or processing data. Before the computer, the first devices used by primitive people for counting are sticks, stones, and bones. The invention process of computer started around 3,000 years ago. The computer started as an abacus. An abacus is a rock made of wood with two wires running parallel to each other. On the wires, there are beads. By moving the beads, anyone can solve simple math problem. Who invented the computer? The inventor of computer is Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage in the year of 1800s. He is from London, United Kingdom, a British and an Englishman. His profession is mathematician, mechanical engineer, and a philosopher. He also known as the father of computer. His purpose of invention is to mechanize the mathematical calculation instead of manually doing them. So sa unang panahon, kay wala pa may computers, wala pa digital nga calculator, so ang gibuhat nila is manually lang. So nakahuna-huna si Babbage nga mag-invento siya og machine nga mas mapadali ang pag-calculate. Then, Babbage was died at the age of 79 because of bladder infection in the year 1871. He invented the difference engine and analytical engine. Since duha ni sila ang nakadiscover, but the second reporter will discuss about that. But I will discuss the difference engine. A difference engine is a simple mechanical computer. When we say simple mechanical computer, it can only do one mathematical operation, which is additions. So, it has faster speed. Faster speed is because isa lang gid ang iyahang gina-operate, which is the additional computation. And it was designed at the year of 1820s. So the analytical engine, it is a general purpose computer system. When we say general purpose computer system, it can do four mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It is slower in speed. It is because it uses four mathematical operation which is the addition, subtraction, the multiplication, and division. And it was designed at the year of 1837.
Ada Lovelace was an English mathematician and writer who is widely recognized as the first computer programmer. Her groundbreaking work on Charles Babbage's analytical engine, a mechanical general-purpose computer, established her as a visionary in the field of computing. When was the computer invented? The first computer that resembled the modern machines we see today was invented by Charles Babbage between 1833 and 1871. And for the history of computer, ancient times, in 1642 to 1644, the Blaise Pascal invented the Pascal line, the first mechanical adding machine. So, Blaise Pascal, a renowned French mathematician and philosopher, invented the Pascal line between 1642 and 1644. The Pascal line used a series of gears and dials to perform addition and subtraction with numbers entered manipulating the dials.
In 1820s, Charles Babbage conceived of the difference engine. So as you can see in this picture, this third picture, as you can see here, this is the difference engine. A steam-powered calculating machine, but it was never completed. So as you can see in this picture, no, is dili pa gid siya na kompleto ang machine. In 1890, Herman Hollerith used punch cards to calculate the 1890 U.S. Census, leading to the founding of International Business Machine or the IBM. In 1941, Konrad Zuse completed the Z3, the world's earliest digital computer. So in 1941 no si Conrad Zuse is na-complete niya ang Z3, pinaka earliest na kuno nga digital computer. In 1945, John Mauchly and G. Presper Eckert designed the Electronic Numerical Integrator Computer or the ENIAC. So this picture, as you can see in the second picture, this is the ENIAC. In 1947, the ENIAC is the first general-purpose electronic computer. In 1947, the transistor was invented, replacing bulky vacuum tubes in computers. And then in 1950s, the first computer languages COBOL and FORTRAN were developed.
Hi, I'm your fourth reporter from the Team Bubbles. Now let's talk about the progress of the computer in the year 1958, 1970s, and 1981. In 1958, integrated circuit or the computer chip was invented, miniaturizing electronic components. This IC is a fundamental in modern electronics. It comprises a miniature assembly of electronic circuits fabricated on a single piece of semiconductor material, typically silicon. This allows for the integration of thousands onto a single chip or even millions of tiny resistors, capacitors, diodes, and transistors into a single chip. A good example of that is try to compare the old computers and the computers at our times, di ba? You will see a big difference not only in their sizes but also in their working performance. In addition, the IC was invented by Jack Kelby and Robert Noyce. By Jack Kelby, he initiated to use germanium, while Noyce is a silicon base. So compared with the two, the the model made by Noyce became the foundation of the modern IC because it is more practical. Now, let's proceed in the year 1970s. In the year 1970s, the Altair 8800 first personal computer was released. So, the 8.88 was a groundbreaking microcomputer that is widely considered to be the catalyst for the personal computer revolution. And this is designed and manufactured by the MITS or the Micro Instrumentation and Telemetry Systems. So, it was also the release of this Altair 8800 lead the 1981 the release of the IBM PC computer or the personal computer. The IBM is another revolutionary microcomputer released by the International Business Machines. So the introduction of this IBM marked a turning point in the history of computing. It brought personal computers in homes and offices. So later on, the IBM was sold to Lenovo in 2005. So this leads to the legacy of the IBM PC continues to influence the world of computing today. So the majority of the computer we are using right now is actually the descendant of the IBM. That's all.
Good day, ma'am. I am Naldi Marie Sinagaya and I am the last reporter for our group. So, I'll be reporting the timelines of computer from 1990s to the present. So, in the 1990s, the internet and the World Wide Web revolutionized communication and information access. So, this time is ang internet ug ang World Wide Web where the aha ka makapangita og websites was introduced. In From 2000s to the present, devices like smartphones and tablets become ubiquitous. So this time, ang na-invent na po dani is ang mga smartphones and tablets, like the phones we are using right now. From 2010s to the present, cloud computing and artificial intelligence or AI and big data continue to shape the future of computing. So from the 2010s, the cloud computing and artificial intelligence was introduced. Examples of artificial intelligence is kanang naa sa Siri and kaning si Alexa. So back as a little trivia about the computer. So the inventors of computer is Charles Babbage, but napay isa. It is si Ada Lovelace. Si Charles Babbage o si Ada Lovelace, they first invented the difference engine, but it is a mechanical computer and it can only do one mathematical operation. But wala natiwas ang difference engine kay namatay si Ada Lovelace. So, at the age of 36 due to cancer. So, pagkamatay ni Ada Lovelace, naghimo na sad og bag-ong kaning computer which is analytical engine si Babbage. But still, wala siya nahuman kay namatay pod siya. But at the time of 20th century, na ilang work is gipadayon sa mga scientist and sa sige nila work na prove ra nga ang trabaho nila Ada Lovelace og ni Babbage is good. Wala lang jud siya nahuman kay namatay sila. That's all, ma'am, and thank you.
Kaya kinis niya kasi, pila na ito pa minutes.